Can you believe it, Blossom? Little took a chunk out of my phone case because she wanted to chew on it. Hey, do you want some churro? You want to eat some churro off my finger? You can reach you. Slurping. What a nice kitty. Oh. Thank you for coming closer. Want some more, baby? Yeah. Okay, want me to put it in the bowl? Oh, there's no churro. That was just a kiss. No, it wasn't. I'm putting the churro in. I'm working on it. I'm sorry, I'm not very fast. Okay, hold on, baby. There you go. It's so sunshine today. It's so pretty. This position hurts my ankles. But that's okay. I need to get like some sort of mat that I can bring out, you know, like the gardening mat. Gardening? Is that correct? Gardening? Why does it sound weird? For some reason my brain is telling me there should be an extra N in there, like garden, and that's not right. It's just a little silly. I've never mentioned it. Well, I'm sure you guys have seen the ants that crawl around on the ground while I'm feeding Blossom, but what you don't know is that there's some, sorry, I'm trying to avoid an ant at the moment, and he keeps crawling towards my hand. Oh, hold on. I'm sorry. We do this every day. I love you. What I was saying is what you don't know is that there's always some wasps that come when, not always, when we're feeding Blossom, but they'll come, they're like friendly. They wait for the food like the cats wait for the food. And as far as I know, they've never bothered the cats. They don't bother me. They don't bother my friend. They don't bother my mom. Yeah, just friendly. Wait for their food like the cats do. I love you, Blossom. Be safe.